What's up guys, it's me, your Geek. So here the top 5 Motorola Moto X4. I'm a big fan of Motorola. I'm a literally big fan of Motorola. I'm a die-hard fan of Motorola. So here the top 5 Motorola X4 case. The number 5 case is from Dreadtel. A simple full body, a little bit fake carbon fiber case. Yeah, I mean this is not the real one, but it get the job done. And number 4 is from LKey, a simple really hard plastic case. I mean literally hard plastic case. This plastic is more like similar to Nokia 3310. And number 3 is from Spigen. I'm a big fan of Spigen, to be honest with you. Spigen builds some really tough, rugged, best quality cases in the world. And number 2 is from the ROS Bona. Look at the beauty of it. This is hard plastic, but look at the abstract pattern of it. Number 1, my favorite, is from Innova. If you work as a carpenter, a handyman, or work in any kind of construction or trade industry, then grab this case. Even you do not work, still it look much cooler. This is one of the best. It comes with a stand, it comes with the holster, which means you can easily put on your belt. So it was me, Geek. These are the top 5 Motorola Moto X4 case, and all of the links are in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe, and then yep, bye Anara. Yeah, bye Anara.